Looking for a digital piano but not sure which one actually feels good to play? Today we're walking through 5 popular options, ranked from the most basic to the one that truly feels like a real piano. This is our starting point, and it lands at the bottom of the ranking. The RockJam kit is more of a beginner keyboard than a true digital piano, and that's important to understand right away. It's designed to get someone playing quickly without spending much, and for that goal, it does the job. You get a lot in the box: a stand, a bench, headphones, and a pedal. There are tons of sounds and rhythms to play around with, which makes it fun, especially for kids or total beginners who just want to explore music. Compared to the other instruments on this list, though, it's missing one big thing: realistic piano feel. The keys are not weighted, so they don't push back the way real piano keys do. That makes it much harder to build proper finger strength and control. The sound is also pretty basic, and while it's fine for learning notes and simple songs, it doesn't have the depth you'll hear in the higher-ranked models. This is best for someone who wants an affordable starter kit for casual playing, not serious piano study. If you're just testing the waters, it's okay, but if you're serious about learning piano, you'll outgrow it fast. Links to all the products in this review at the best prices are in the description under the video, so you can check them out anytime. Next up, and already a big step forward, is the AODSK. This one finally gives you the full 88 keys and weighted action, which makes a huge difference in how it feels under your fingers. That alone moves it into real digital piano territory. Compared to the RockJam, this feels much closer to an acoustic piano. You can play with more expression, and the 3 pedals add another layer of control that beginners can grow into over time. It also gives you a variety of tones and learning features, which makes it more flexible for practice and experimentation. That said, when you compare it to the higher-ranked models, you start to notice where costs were saved. The sound is decent but not especially rich, and the overall build doesn't feel as solid or polished. The speakers do the job for home practice, but they're not very powerful or detailed. This is a good fit for beginners who want proper weighted keys on a tight budget and like the idea of an all-in-one furniture-style setup. It's a solid learning tool, but if sound quality and long-term playing comfort matter most, you may want to keep moving up the list. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Right in the middle of our ranking sits the Donner. This one balances features, power, and playability in a way that really stands out for the price. It still targets beginners and intermediate players, but it feels more serious than the previous option. The key action feels firm and responsive, making it more satisfying for longer practice sessions. You also get a huge range of built-in sounds, which is great if you like experimenting beyond just piano. The stronger speaker system means the sound fills a room better than the lower-ranked models, and the extra audio connections make it easier to hook up to other gear. Where it falls short compared to the top 2 is in sound realism and overall refinement. The piano tone is good, but not as detailed or natural as what you get from the big, well-known brands. The included pedal is also pretty basic, so serious players may want to upgrade that. This is ideal for someone who wants a lot of features, stronger sound, and a realistic feel without spending too much. It's a great middle ground, and from here on, we start stepping into more polished, brand-name instruments. Now we move into a more traditional, furniture-style digital piano from a brand known for acoustic pianos. This model ranks near the top because of its realistic feel and dependable sound, especially for home practice. The key action is nicely graded, meaning lower notes feel a bit heavier, and higher notes feel lighter, just like on an acoustic piano. The cabinet design also makes it feel more like a real upright in your home, which many players find inspiring. Even with a small selection of sounds, the main piano tone is warm and balanced, perfect for practicing classical or pop pieces. Compared to the one below it, it has fewer extra sounds and lower polyphony, so it's not as flexible for layered or complex arrangements. It also skips modern wireless features, focusing instead on a simple, traditional playing experience. This is a great choice for students and families who want something that looks and feels like a real piano and don't need a lot of extra features. If your focus is building proper technique in a home setting, this one makes a lot of sense. But there's still one model that edges it out. At the top of our list is the Roland. This one strikes the best balance between realistic touch, expressive sound, and modern features, all in a compact design. The key feel is one of the most realistic in this price range. It responds beautifully to soft and hard playing, which helps you develop proper control and expression. The main piano sound is rich and dynamic, and even though the number of tones isn't huge, the core sounds are very usable and high quality. It's not perfect. The built-in speakers are fine for practice, but not very powerful, and the included pedal is pretty basic. Still, when you compare overall playing experience, it feels more refined than the others, especially in how the keys respond. This is perfect for beginners who want to start with the right foundation, and for intermediate players who need a portable but serious practice instrument. If you care most about how the piano actually feels and sounds under your fingers, this is the one that stands out. Check out the top models we covered using the links in the description under the video, so you can compare prices and details for yourself. And if this helped you choose your next digital piano, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews.